Yo guys, your boy is back and today I'm doing a camera comparison between the Huawei P20 Pro and the iPhone X. As you guys know, the Huawei has released its latest flagship P20 Pro at Paris, and now we are doing a camera comparison between iPhone X and Huawei P20 Pro. The Huawei P20 Pro has triple camera setup. It has 40 plus 20 plus 8 megapixel, while the iPhone X has dual 12 megapixel camera setup. So let's check out these pictures that are taken in good and bad light situations and tell me in the comments which you like the most.